It's Now or Never is a song based on the Neapolitan song O Sol Mio. In 1949, the American singer Tony Martin had already made an English version of it, titled There's No Tomorrow. Elvis knew this version but wasn't convinced by the lyrics, so he requested a new set of lyrics to be written. This led to the creation of It's Now or Never, written by lyricists Aaron Schroeder and Wally Gold. Elvis Presley recorded It's Now or Never at RCA Studio B in Nashville on April 3, 1960. The song is Presley's biggest hit, with 20 million copies sold worldwide. It is one of the best-selling singles of all time. The song, O Sol Mio, is one of the most famous and beloved pieces in the Neapolitan repertoire. The lyrics were written in 1898 by Giovanni Capurro, a poet and journalist from Naples, Italy, inspired by the sight of the sun shining over the Gulf. The music was composed by Eduardo di Capua, a traveling musician who toured Europe with an operetta company.